Hey, my faithful YouTube friends. Today we are going to patch a hole in my pool. The neighbor has that corrugated steel awning for his carport, and we had a huge wind come through, blew those over my fence, and then cut my pool. So instead of spending $250, $350, whatever they cost for a pool liner, plus all the big headache that it would be, I'm going to try using some flex tape. And this is 12-inch, and so we'll see how this works. So this is going to be like in a two-part deal maybe. You know, naturally you can see my pool, it's all nasty. So I've got to clean it up and fill it with water, etc. But just wanted to start this with you, since you're like my favorite peeps. I think I need to roll this backwards. Sorry about that. Because at the beginning, it's got a real sticky edge. Wait a minute, let's see. Well, okay, it's got a sticky edge there. So, ooh. So this is the sticky edge. I need to roll it the other way. Sorry this is taking so long, but while we're waiting for me to get my act together, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. So here we go. Oh, I cleaned this with alcohol first, and it's dry for the most part. There's a couple of wet spots from moving around. So here we go. Try and get this straight. Stop moving the camera, son.
Yes, sir,
Dad.
Dad.
The people camera sick.
I love you, Dad.
I love you too, buddy. All right, are you getting this? All right, so here we go. Oops, not there, not there. Over here.
Don't tear the pool.
Well, I didn't get it started straight, so naturally it's gonna look ugly. Dang it. Man, I'm not real happy. This is sticky. So the inside I can't do stickers and stuff like that to save my life. I may have to end up redoing this, but I've also been thinking about putting some flex spray up here. You see, like this right here, this is not good. Well, we'll see what happens when I tape the other side. Well, point it at me, son. Remember, we're still recording. That's this side. Stand by for the next side. Go ahead and stop it.
I want to say subscribe. Subscribe.